Okay, so here we go. We're on lesson 7.11 still, finding out the order of operations that we have to do. So we're going to continue making some connections so we understand why this is necessary and maybe what the order is. It says when solving problems with more than one type of operation, you need to know which operation to do first. Okay, sorry, I had to pause there. Someone was having a moment. Okay, so it says a special set of rules called the order of operations gives the order in which calculations are done in a problem. So the first step is you're going to multiply and divide from left to right. Just like you're reading a sentence from left to right. You're going to start on the left and you're going to find any multiplication or division and you're going to solve them from left to right, okay? Then, after you've gone the whole road to see any multiplication and division, then you're going to go back to the beginning and you're going to add and subtract from left to right. Okay, so let's show you an example here. And actually, here, let me write this for you. So you're going to start with any multiplication or division. They're like in the same group. Okay, they're the same importance. They are number one. Okay, and then your second step, I'll do a different color. You're going to go back to the beginning, and step 2 is to check for any addition and subtraction. Even if subtraction's first, that's the same level as addition, okay? So let's look at this problem. Megan buys 2 books for $4 each. She pays with a $10 bill. How much money does she have left? All right, so you could write it like this. $10 is her total minus, okay, so we could write it like this. $10 is the total minus 2 times 4, because there's 2 books for $4 each. And then they're saying that would equal like the cost. To describe and solve this problem, use the order of operations to solve 10 minus 2 times 4. Okay, so there's like 2 operations here. We have to figure out which one are we supposed to do first, the subtraction or should we do the multiplication? Okay, so it says step 1, multiply from left to right. Okay, so I'm going to start here and I'm going to go through all the equations or all the steps and I'm going to see, is there any multiplication or division in this row? Yes, right there. There's multiplication. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to do 2 times 4. I'm going to write it below that that's 8. Now, I didn't use the 10 or the minus sign, so that's why they copied that down because we still have to do that, okay? So we still have to do the 10 minus, and now we've already figured out what 2 times 4 really equals. It's 8. So now we're going to do 10 minus 8. What is 10 minus 8? That would be step 2. Subtract from left to right. 10 minus 8 is 2. So she has $2 left. Now let's see, does our answer make sense? Does it make sense that she would have $2 left? Let's see. If she buys 2 books for $4 each, let's do that. How much would that be? $8. She pays with a $10 bill. So $10, take away the $8 she owes, 10 minus 8 is $2 left. So yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so we did multiplication or division first, and then we went back and we saw if there was any addition or subtraction. Okay, so I'm going to pause there and we'll do a new video for the Sharon Show.